When it comes to a business's computer network, you can never be too secure. And this role helps guarantee your company. Well, do not say guarantee. This role helps your company's network stay safe and secure. In cybersecurity, there is no such thing as guarantee or, no. All you can do is add as many layers of protection as possible. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Today we're talking about cybersecurity salary. Alright, this is courtesy of Mondo.com. So, information security managers top the list of the highest paid cybersecurity jobs with an average salary range of $150,000 to $225,000, right? This position plays a key role in avoiding security disasters by identifying any areas that might make your information systems vulnerable. These are the professionals who are tasked with assessing current security measures and mitigating future attacks against your company's computers, networks, and data. Now that's a nice chunk of change if you have that skill set. So what makes them so valuable? Uber paid $148 million for violating state data breach notification laws. Uber paid $148 million. Now it makes sense why, these companies are willing to pay, because the back end look at what they could potentially help the company avoid in the as far as from a fee standpoint, right? So we have cybersecurity engineer salary. So the cybersecurity engineer position also nets one of the highest salaries, coming in at number 2 for the security industry, with averaging cybersecurity salaries from $120,000 to $210,000. Companies invest in these professionals for their skill sets and experience, as they are primarily responsible for multiple security engineering functions, including designing, developing, and implementing secure network solutions to defend against advanced cyber attacks, hacking attempts, and persistent threats. So cybersecurity engineers, they come in 2, right? Next, we have application security engineer salary. So the third highest paid cybersecurity job, application security engineers make on average between $130,000 to $200,000. If your company uses software solutions, if a company or your company, right, uses software solutions provided or hosted by third-party organizations like AWS or Microsoft's Azure, or even if you custom built your own solutions, hiring an application security engineer is crucial. These professionals will be tasked with securing all software and business application used throughout your workforce and ensuring that all privacy and compliance constraints are built into the software and followed. So application security engineers are 3. Now, I mean, this world, isn't it all apps? Isn't it all apps? YouTube is an app. Facebook is an app. Instagram is an app. So you can see why, they get paid what they do. Next we have cybersecurity analyst salary, not to be confused with cybersecurity engineer. So cybersecurity analyst, the average cybersecurity salary for this position falls between $95,000 and $160,000, and they are worth every penny. These security professionals help create, plan, and carry out security measures to keep your infrastructure secure. They have the knowledge and experience to work on penetration testers and information security managers to mitigate and avoid cyber attacks that could cripple your bottom line, and are especially equipped to identify vulnerabilities before hackers have a chance. So cybersecurity analysts, they think like the bad guys. They think like the bad guys, right? They think like the bad guys. They try to see, okay, this is what's going on. This is what they're doing. This is our counterattack. So you can look at them as the blue team, and the hackers obviously are the red team. So next we have pen testers or ethical hackers on average, who make between $80,000 and $130,000. So a McAfee survey showed that security managers believed hiring ethical hackers offers a company a valuable understanding of logic used by hackers and skills critical to cybersecurity. So, does your company or does a company conduct quarterly, monthly, or daily security tests? If that's the case, then these are the professionals that you need to invest in attracting and retaining. Penetration testers complete various in-depth tests across your computer systems, networks, and even web applications to identify vulnerabilities that can be exploited by cyber criminals. So, pen testers, they're not even wanted, they're needed. Okay, you went through all of this, and one thing that I like about cybersecurity is roles rely on each other. It's like an ecosystem. So you built this system up, now you have to test it. Yeah, what thing in life do you know that you're gonna bring to the masses and that you don't test? So penetration testers, they look for holes to see what vulnerabilities that you have. So companies pay massive amounts for penetration testers, believe me. So next we have network security engineer, right? Not to confuse with the other one, this is a network security engineer salary, right? So rounding out the list of the highest paid cybersecurity jobs, the average salary for the network security engineer role ranges between $125,000 to $185,000. Much like a cybersecurity engineer position, this is a multifaceted position, tasked with maintaining your local area network, also known as LAN, WAN, wide area network, and server architecture, while also maintaining and monitoring virtual networks, firewalls, email security, and web protocols, security, and programs. When it comes to a business's computer network, you can never be too secure. And this role helps guarantee your company, well, let me not say guarantee, this role helps your company's network stay safe and secure. In cybersecurity, there is no such thing as guarantee or, no. All you can do is add as many layers of protection as possible. And so there's no guarantee. Every time there's a new software, a new update, new blah, 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 there's always going to be a new exploit, right? So there's never such thing as guarantee or safety. All you can do is add as many layers of protections to keep them hackers away. That's all you can do to keep those hackers away. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.